Alright, so now we're going to go through all of the knives and basic tools that every home chef should have. We're going to start with our steel, which is great for honing your blade. So basically, before you use any of your knives, just to bring the edge of the knife together, give you a nice edge. First will be our all-purpose knife. This is a Santoku knife. It's a great utility knife, or a chef's knife. I prefer the Santoku. Next we have a slicer. Not necessary, but a great tool to have. It's great for carving and slicing. Next we have a couple of different knives, but the same. This is a serrated knife. I prefer the offset because it keeps your fingers further away from the cutting board. This one has a little bit longer cutting edge, but between the two I prefer the offset. Next we have a boning knife. These are great for boning out chicken or fish or proteins like that. I prefer the one that's got a little bit more rigidness to it. This is a stiff boning knife. They also make one that has a little bit thinner blade. It's a flexible knife, but I prefer something that's got a little bit more control to it. Next we have just, again, another small utility knife. This is great for cutting herbs, slicing tomatoes, slicing peppers, things like that. And then last but not least, are paring knives. In this case I have two different paring knives. This is a bird's beak and this is a straight paring knife. I think the paring knife is definitely more important to have. The bird's beak is a little bit more for advanced knife skills. And then we have some kitchen shears. I like kitchen shears for getting herbs out of the garden, for snipping herbs, kitchen twine, things like that. But what's important with these is that these come apart, which is great because it makes them easily cleanable. A couple other important things, again, not necessary, but great to have in the kitchen, is a good peeler. In this case, this is a Kuhn brand, and this is great because it keeps your fingers away from whatever you're peeling, but it's got a great flexible top to it. And last but not least, this is a Japanese mandolin. It's great for slicing. It gives you all uniform cuts, and then from there you can make other cuts. It's also got some different attachments. They'll give you a julienne blade, a little bit larger blade, things like that, but something that's great to have.